So if the original quantity is 10 and the new quantity is 12, what is the percent increase? Use that formula. The times 100 is what's changing that decimal to a percent. So the final number, the ending number, is 12 and the starting number is 10. So we just got to put those values in there and simplify. And it's a relatively straightforward process. We're going to have 12 minus 10 over 10. Just a quick check. This number right here will always be the same on the right as it will be on the bottom. We're going to multiply that by 100. We need to simplify the numerator first. So 12 minus 10 is 2. We have 2 over 10 times 100. You don't have to show all these steps. 2 over 10 is 0.2. And 0.2 times 100 is 20. So this is a 20% increase. The next one, if the original quantity is 8 and the new quantity is 4, what is the percent decrease? So same thing, we're going to put the final value in, which is the new quantity is 4, so that's the final number. So we're going to have 4 minus 8 over 8. Notice how these numbers right here are the same, 8 and 8. Then we're going to multiply that by 100. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 8 is negative 0.5. And negative 5 times 100 is negative 50. But we're just going to say it's a 50% because it's asking you what is the percent decrease. So negative 50% is the same thing as just saying the 50% decrease. So you would type in 50% there, or 50. Colleen is searching for online airline tickets. 2 weeks ago, the cost to fly from Hartford to Orlando was $210. Now the cost is $335. What is the percent increase? So that's the first part of the question. What is the percent increase? So we're going to figure that out right now. So the final number right now will be 335. So we're going to have 335 minus 210 over the starting number, which is 210. And we're going to multiply that by 100. So 335 minus 210 is 125. We have 125 over 210. Then we're going to multiply that by 100 to change it to a percent. 125 divided by 210 is about 59.52. I mean, it kind of goes on forever there, but we're going to say 0.595. We're going to multiply that by 100, and that's going to give us a 59.5% increase. This is rounded to the nearest tenth of a percent. So what would it be, though, if the airline charged an additional $50 per baggage fee? That's a new question. So we would add 50 to the 335, which would give us a new value of 385. So we're going to do a 385 as our final number. So if it was 385, it's going to be 385 minus 210 over 210 times 100. Still using the percent of change formula. 385 minus 210 is 175. And when we could have, it won't be here, but we could have a percent change that's more than 100%. That's very possible. So 175 divided by 210 is about 0.83. And the 3's are repeating, so we'll just put a few in there. And then we're going to multiply that by 100. And that would give us about, if we round it to the nearest tenth, 83.3%. Which you can type in there. If you have any kind of questions, please ask your math teacher.